Hello again, and it's that time of the year kung saan papunta na naman po tayong Thailand. Maaga na naman po kaming nagpunta sa NAIA Terminal 3. 3 hours before the flight ay nandun na po kami. A tip that I would suggest is mag-early check-in na lang po kayo ng inyong mga luggage para hindi na po kayo mahirapan. Thanks to our e-travel, mabilis na lang po tayo ngayon sa ating immigration. Another thing that you have to note before traveling to Thailand is as of May 2025, all foreign nationals must complete their Thailand digital arrival card at least 3 days before arrival in Thailand. So you can submit this through their official Thailand Immigration Bureau website, and wag po tayo magpapaloko dahil free of charge po ito. Just visit edac.immigration.go.ph.
Hello everyone, Secure Pacific Air welcomes you to Suvarnabhumi International Airport in Bangkok, Thailand.
Here, ang aga namin guys, parang 30 minutes earlier. Hi guys! We got way past immigration. Inaantay na lang natin ang ating mga friends and kukunin na natin ang ating mga luggage.
For a hassle-free trip, ang ginawa po namin is nag-book kami sa Klook ng mga pwede namin i-book na trips and tours, and binayaran na po namin siya sa Philippines pa lang. 2 ways to book a ride, Grab or Bolt. But I highly suggest that you install their Bolt app kasi mas mura po doon.
Guys, tingnan nyo to. Meron tayo dito. Coconut ice cream. Let's try it. Meron silang legit na coconut na meat. Tapos meron din coconut ice cream. Meron nuts and mango. Oh, girl. Sarap. Panalo. Hindi. Hindi mo. Panay. Tayo may mangga. Girl, panalo diba? Wow! Diba tara dito tayo? Thank you, Mommy. Nabili to ni Mami ng 150 Thailand. Ang galing gumawa ni ate, girl. Made in Thailand. Ganda.
Alam mo yan. O, kakain ako isa lang. O, sige, nilibibidyo kita. Isa lang.
Let's try it isa lang. May sukar. May sukar to, bes?
Wala. Alat-alat ka.
Kakain ako ng isa.
Ayoko.
Ano to? Pero ako sticky rice kanina nakuha.
Hindi nga siya alain.
Kaya.
Lahat ang hipon.
Hello, we're back.
Tasty time.
Sorry, arty. Ito ka arty. Ayun na, may face mask doon.
Ay, yan na siya.